When the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II debuted, it was already the epitome of luxury SUVs, blending unmatched craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and a serene driving experience. But for some owners, the stock Cullinan simply isn't enough. They want exclusivity, performance, and presence that stands out even among the ultra-elite. Enter Novitec's Spofec division, the German tuner renowned for tasteful yet impactful transformations of high-end vehicles. Unlike some tuners that go overboard with flashy, borderline gaudy upgrades, yes, Mansory, we're looking at you, Spofec has taken a refined approach with the Cullinan Series II. Their modifications don't just scream for attention, they whisper power and elegance in a way that commands respect. Visually, the transformation begins at the front. The Cullinan receives a new fascia with sharper air intakes and DRLs positioned low at the base of the bumper for a more aggressive yet sophisticated stance. The front and rear fenders are widened by a total of 120 millimeters, giving the SUV a broader, more muscular appearance. Extended side skirts seamlessly tie the design together, while at the rear, a sporty diffuser and subtle roof spoiler add just the right amount of flair without compromising the Rolls-Royce aesthetic. One of the most striking upgrades lies at the corners. 24-inch Spofec forged wheels, co-developed with luxury wheelmaker Vossen. Wrapped in 295/30 performance tires, these wheels come in an astounding 48 color options with brushed or polished finishes, ensuring each Cullinan can be as unique as its owner's tastes. To perfect the stance, Spofec adds a suspension lowering kit that drops the ride height by 35 millimeters, making the massive SUV look even more imposing. The extra unstoppable Darby will need to hold on tight, and you'll never have to worry about being overtaken by a minivan at a stoplight again. Despite the extra muscle, the Cullinan retains its signature smoothness and refinement, thanks to Spofec's careful engineering. Pricing for this bespoke upgrade package remains undisclosed, unsurprising for a tuner that caters exclusively to clients for whom cost is a secondary consideration. Spofec works directly with owners to customize every aspect, from wheel finish to exhaust tone, ensuring each Cullinan is truly one of a kind. In the end, the Novitec Spofec Cullinan Series II is more than just a tuned Rolls-Royce. It's a statement. It merges regal elegance with performance capabilities that rival some of the world's fastest SUVs, all while maintaining the brand's hallmark comfort. For those who demand the absolute pinnacle of luxury and power in one package, this creation ensures the Cullinan not only arrives in style, but arrives first.